Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Waterfall City Heliport, Midrand 2066, South Africa for R5,900,000. This newly built home is elegant, stylish and exudes an air of calm and tranquility from the moment you enter. Cool, clean lines and classy finishes complement the spacious downstairs living area, a lounge and open-plan kitchen with gas stove, TV room, dining room and large separate study, with stacker doors opening out onto an airy, covered entertainment area with built-in braai. The home is cleverly designed to make optimal use of the land, resulting in a well-sized, landscaped, fully irrigated garden, complete with swimming pool. The freestanding wooden staircase leads up to 4 ensuite bedrooms, one with an outdoor shower, plus a pajama lounge, all connected by a wraparound balcony overlooking the garden. The downstairs guest bathroom, separate scullery, pantry, domestic quarters and double automated garage make this home a perfect combination of class and comfort. Completion mid-October. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.